Hey guys, Ray Carnes, Rectech Grills. Check it out. We're going to be doing some Asian pork burgers today. Wanted to do something a little bit different, but we're going to do a side, real easy side. It's going to be some potatoes. We just took some new potatoes, left the skins on, sliced them up. You're going to put those in a casserole dish, like so. One large onion, or more if you like, sliced up. 1 handful of chopped parsley, 4 tablespoons or 5 or 6 tablespoons of butter, a little,
5 or 6,
whatever you want.
Go with it.
A little bit of chicken broth, about 1/4 cup, I'd say, or 1/2 cup. We're going to cover that with foil. It's going to go 45 minutes to an hour at 400 degrees on the Rectech, and then we're going to prep up these Asian burgers. We'll see you at the Rectech. Okay, so let's start making these Asian pork burgers. All right, so we got 2.5 pounds of ground pork that our butcher did up for us. It's beautiful. We're gonna put it in this mixing bowl here. And this is a lot of ingredients. And you kind of want to fold this lightly together. These ingredients, you don't want to get in there and really mash it together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 1/4 cup of this peanut, is it Thai?
It's Thai peanut sauce.
Thai peanut sauce, about 1/4 cup of Thai peanut. Peanut. Everybody picks the way I say peanut. About 1/4 cup of that. We're gonna put this, this is, what is that again?
Ginger dressing.
Ginger dressing. This is actually a fresh scallion ginger dressing. How much of the chopped scallions are we gonna put? A cup?
Put enough in there, give it color. Not a cup.
About 1/2 cup then.
That's
about 1/2 cup of chopped scallions. We're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. You don't wanna go heavy on that. That's real powerful stuff. Toasted sesame seed oil. About 1/2 teaspoon. We're gonna put about 1/2 teaspoon of soy in there.
Go with the soy. That's good.
1/2 teaspoon of soy. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon of soy. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of an Asian hot sauce. You could use sriracha. This is a chili
garlic sauce.
Chili garlic sauce. So we got a little garlic in that chili sauce. That's why we didn't add any garlic. So if you were using just a sriracha, you could add a little garlic. And 2 tablespoons, trust me now, it sounds a little wacky. 2 tablespoons of chunky peanut butter. We just got some regular old Peter Pan peanut butter. Fold these ingredients together. We're gonna make some patties, and we're letting those potatoes cook. After those get off and those are resting, we're gonna crank the grill up to full. We're gonna crank the Rectech up to full, and then we're gonna see you at the Rectech. We'll see you there in a minute. All right, guys, we're gonna do these Asian burgers. We're gonna use the sear kit upside down. We're just gonna do 2. Save the rest for tonight.
I can't wait to try these.
Get a close-up of that. So the aioli for these Asian burgers, 1/2 cup of mayo, 3 ingredients, real easy. And we're gonna put, what do you think, about 1 tablespoon of wasabi sauce?
1 1.5.
Depending
on how spicy you want it.
That's up to you, personal preference. We're gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons of wasabi sauce, and then we're gonna put juice from about 1/2 a lime and mix that together. That's gonna be our aioli. All right, so these been 4 minutes. We're gonna flip them. Go ahead and put those buns in the back there, Stevie. We're gonna toast our buns also.
These are gonna go quick, the buns.
Man, that sear kit gives it a great sear across the whole burger. About another 4 minutes. The buns are only gonna take about a minute.
I'm gonna pull them in just a second.
Yeah, just a second. Put a quick toast on them so we see those in a minute. All right, so check this. The potatoes went 50 minutes at 400 degrees. This is for the Asian pork sandwiches. We're gonna pull the foil off now, hit that with some cheddar cheese. Just let it go about another 5 or 10 minutes. Let the cheese melt, and then we'll serve these guys up. We'll see you inside it when we're plating them up. All right, I temp these to 160.
Man, those look good.
They look yummy.
Oh my God.
They took, just to give you a cook time, they took a total of about 8.5 minutes. We're gonna go inside. We got a nice arugula salad. We're gonna put on top of that aioli, and then we're gonna get those potatoes. All right, guys, we had a little mishap. That's why half my sandwich and almost all of Stevie's sandwich is missing.
That's how good it is.
This thing is crazy, crazy good. Frankie thought he was recording and he wasn't. Look, the arugula salad on top was just arugula, cherry tomatoes, and a little ginger dressing. Put that on top. This thing is off the hook. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'll let you look at it. The Asian flavor comes through, just a hint of that peanut butter, but it's not overpowering. It's something that really complements this pork, and then you get a little bit of heat. If anything, maybe we were talking, I almost think you could go a little more on the peanut sauce, maybe a little more if you wanted, so if you want to experiment with that, but I tell you what, this is one of the best things I've ever cooked. It's in my new top 5. Check out rectechgrills.com. I'm telling you, you won't be sorry. Hey, man, let's do this again. Thanks for grilling with me today. Get you a Sapporo and cook one of these things, man. Get one of these grills. It's fun. He had stuff all over his face. Take care, guys.